Imagine your skin not as a simple covering, but as a meticulously engineered biological fabric, a resilient tapestry of microscopic fibers constantly renewing itself, until suddenly sugar molecules begin to permanently fuse those delicate threads together. You're about to understand the precise biological mechanism where the very sugars we consume aren't just adding to our waistline, but are directly and relentlessly transforming the supple, elastic scaffolding of your skin into something stiff, brittle, and deeply lined. This isn't just about wrinkles, it's about a fundamental assault on your body's most visible organ, driven by a process called glycation, leading to the formation of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. Your skin is a marvel of biological engineering. Underneath its surface, two critical proteins, collagen and elastin, work in perfect harmony. Collagen provides the underlying structural framework, like a strong, flexible mesh giving your skin its foundational firmness. Elastin, on the other hand, is like countless tiny springs woven throughout that mesh, allowing your skin to stretch, rebound, and snap back into place after every smile, frown, or pinch. It's this dynamic duo that keeps your skin smooth, resilient, and youthful. But here's where the challenge begins. When sugar enters your bloodstream, it doesn't just circulate innocently. It's highly reactive, and over time, these sugar molecules begin to spontaneously bind with proteins and lipids throughout your body, including the precious collagen and elastin in your skin. Think of it like a slow internal caramelization process, where the sugars are gradually gluing themselves onto these vital fibers. This isn't some rare or esoteric reaction. It's a fundamental chemical process known as the Maillard reaction, the same reaction that gives toasted bread its golden brown crust or seared meat its rich flavor. But inside your body, it's far less appetizing. These sugar-protein bonds aren't easily reversible. Once they form, they create something entirely new and quite insidious: advanced glycation end products. These AGEs are rigid, dysfunctional complexes that disrupt the normal function of your cells and tissues. Consider the incredible work by Koglu and Bohm in their 2012 review published in Dermatoendocrinology, which meticulously detailed how AGE accumulation fundamentally drives skin aging, turning its smooth surface into a map of its structural degradation. They highlighted how these chemical crosslinks create a kind of internal scarring, disrupting the very architecture that defines youthful skin. This means that your skin's collagen fibers, which should be smooth and glide past each other, become tangled and inflexible. The elastin springs, designed for elasticity, begin to lose their recoil, becoming rigid and fragile. It's like turning a soft, pliable silk fabric into a stiff, crumpled piece of paper. What if your skin's youthful bounce wasn't just a matter of genetics or good hydration? What if it was actively being sabotaged by something you consume every day? This is the profound truth that changes everything. Understanding AGEs makes you realize that the sugars you ingest don't just expand your waistline. They initiate a cascading reaction that quite literally welds your collagen and elastin fibers together. They form stable, irreversible crosslinks that prevent your skin from stretching and retracting the way it once did. Imagine trying to stretch a rubber band that has been dried out and painted with superglue. It loses its elasticity. It cracks. That's a simplified yet incredibly accurate metaphor for what sugar does to your skin's deepest layers. Before you understood this, you might have seen a new wrinkle as just another sign of time passing, a superficial mark. Now, you see the microscopic battleground, the precise molecular mechanism where sugar molecules have seized your skin's foundational proteins, binding them together in an unyielding embrace. Some wrinkles appear and disappear with facial expressions. Others, the deep, persistent ones, are often the visible testament to years of AGE accumulation, a network of cross-linked, brittle fibers that have lost their inherent flexibility. It's not just about gravity anymore. It's about a fundamental change in the physical properties of your skin's core components. Your internal sweet tooth isn't just expanding your waistline, it's literally caramelizing your collagen. This shocking realization comes into even sharper focus when we consider the direct connection between dietary sugar and visible skin changes. The work of Danby from 2010, published in Clinics in Dermatology, underscored precisely how the consumption of high-sugar foods directly contributes to the acceleration of skin aging through advanced glycation. It's a stark reminder that every sweet treat, every sugary beverage, is not merely a momentary indulgence, but a chemical catalyst in this profound cellular transformation. This isn't just theory, it's a living, breathing process happening inside your own body right now, shaping the very future of your skin's health and appearance. The youthful glow, the smooth texture, the effortless bounce, these are all directly impacted by the invisible glue that sugar creates. The good news is that understanding this powerful mechanism gives you agency. You're not helpless against the tide of time. You have the knowledge to influence these cellular processes. Here are 3 specific, scientifically grounded ways you can actively work with your body to mitigate the impact of AGEs on your skin. Firstly, focus on dietary modifications, specifically how you prepare your food. High-heat, dry cooking methods like grilling, frying, and roasting drastically increase the formation of AGEs within the food itself, which are then absorbed into your bloodstream. By opting for lower temperature, moist heat cooking methods such as steaming, poaching, stewing, or slow cooking, you can significantly reduce the AGE load in your meals. Think of baking chicken instead of frying it, or steaming vegetables instead of charring them. This simple shift in cooking technique directly translates into fewer preformed AGEs entering your body, thereby reducing the burden on your internal systems and sparing your collagen from unnecessary glycation. Secondly, incorporate specific nutritional compounds known to inhibit glycation or scavenge AGEs. One excellent example is carnosine, a dipeptide found naturally in muscle and brain tissue. Carnosine acts as a sacrificial target, binding with sugars before they can react with your vital proteins like collagen. It literally intercepts the glycation process. Research, such as the findings from Wang and colleagues in 2017, published in Molecular Medicine Reports, demonstrated carnosine's ability to protect human dermal fibroblasts, your skin cells, from the damaging effects of high glucose by reducing oxidative stress and advanced glycation end products. You can find carnosine in supplements or naturally in foods like beef, pork, and chicken. Another powerful class of compounds includes various antioxidants, especially those from colorful fruits and vegetables, which neutralize the reactive oxygen species that accelerate AGE formation. Aim for a rainbow of plant-based foods daily. Thirdly, leverage the power of consistent physical activity. Regular exercise doesn't just build muscle and improve cardiovascular health, it enhances your body's natural detoxification pathways and improves circulation. Better circulation means more efficient delivery of nutrients to your skin cells and, crucially, a more effective removal of metabolic waste products, including AGEs. It's like upgrading your body's internal plumbing and waste disposal system. When your cells are healthier and your systems are running optimally, your body is better equipped to manage and clear out existing AGEs and prevent new ones from forming. A brisk walk for 30 minutes most days of the week, or 2 to 3 structured exercise sessions, provides a powerful anti-glycation benefit that manifests in healthier, more resilient skin. You now possess a hidden instruction manual for your own body, a profound insight into the mechanics of aging that few people ever truly grasp. You're no longer just passively observing wrinkles appear. You understand the underlying molecular choreography. You see that sugary treat not just as a fleeting pleasure, but as a silent, microscopic architect of rigidity in your skin's structure. Your skin isn't just an outer layer, it's a dynamic, living tissue constantly shaped by the choices you make, down to its very protein fibers. This knowledge empowers you to look at your plate, your lifestyle, and your own reflection with an entirely new lens, one that sees the intricate dance of biology playing out in real time. The science of longevity is not about fear, it's about empowerment. It's about understanding the remarkable biological processes happening inside you, giving you the tools to live healthier, stronger, and more vibrantly. What we've uncovered today about sugar and your skin is just one piece of an extraordinary puzzle. Stay with us at Longevity Decoded and continue to explore the intricate, awe-inspiring mechanisms that govern your healthy years. There's so much more to discover about the hidden workings of your own body and how you can influence its journey through time.